Theta value equivalent to $2.431 a coin. The present exchange cost range totaled $2.63 to $2.49.20. The earlier day close totaled $2.673. The change was 0.1 503%. Opposite rate, ICE to Theta. Dollar to Theta estimate for August 2024. At the outset, cost at 385 coins. Excessive costs are 385, while lows are 310. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 353. The ICE to Theta conjecture toward the month's end ZET31. Change for August 14%. ICE to Theta expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at 331 coins. Excessive costs are 331, while lows went to 67. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 304. The ICE to Theta figure toward the month's end is 286. Change for September 6%. Dollar to Theta figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 286 coins. Excessive costs 295, while lows 257. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 278. The ICE to Theta figure toward the month's ends on 75. Change for October 38%. ICE to Theta expectation for November 2024. Before all else, cost at 275 coins. Excessive costs on 275, while lows on 221. The arrived at the midpoint of cost point 252. The ICE to Theta figure toward the month's ends on 237. Change for November 13.8%. Dollar to Theta figure for December 2024. Before all else, cost at 237 coins. Excessive cost point 237, while lows on 91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 217. The ICE to Theta figure toward the month's ends on 204. Change for December 13.9%. ICE to Theta expectation for January 2025. To start with, cost at 204 coins. Exorbitant cost 204, while lows 371. The found the middle value of costs on which are 91. The ICE to Theta gauge toward the month's ends on 183. Change for January 10.3%. Dollar to Theta gauge for February 2025. To start with, cost at 183 coins. Exorbitant costs are 187, while lows on 163. The found the middle value of costs are 177. The ICE to Theta gauge toward the month's ends on 174. Change for February 4.9%. ICE to Theta expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 174 coins. Exorbitant costs are 180, while lows are 156. They found the middle value of costs on 170. The ICE to Theta gauge toward the month's ends on 168. Change for spring 3.4%. Dollar to Theta gauge for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 168 coins. Exorbitant costs are 168, while lows on 146. They found the middle value of cost on 160. The ICE to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 156. Change for April 7.1%. ICE to Theta expectation for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at 156 coins. Exorbitant costs on 163, while lows on 141. They found the middle value of costs on 153. The ICE to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 151. Change for May 3.2%. Dollar to Theta estimate for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at 151 coins. Exorbitant costs on 156, while lows on 136. They found the middle value of costs on 147. The ICE to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 146. Change for June 3.3%. ICE to Theta expectation for July 2025. To start with, cost at 146 coins. Exorbitant costs are 155, while lows are 134. They found the middle value of costs on 145. The ICE to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 144. Change for July 1.4%. Dollar to Theta conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 144 coins. Excessive costs on 152, while lows on 132. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 142. The ICE to Theta conjecture toward the month's ends on 141. Change for August 2.1%. ICE to Theta expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at 141 coins. Excessive costs on 141. while lows on 220. They arrived at the midpoint of cost to 133. The US to Theta figure toward the month's end on 29, change for September 85%. Dollar to Theta figure for October 2025. Initially costed 129 coins. Excessive costs on 129, while lows on 104. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 118. The US to Theta figure toward the month's end on 111, change for October 14%. US to Theta expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 111 coins. Excessive costs on 142, while lows on 111. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 124. The US to Theta figure toward the month's end on 132, change for November 18.9%. Dollar to Theta figure for December 2025. Before all else cost at 132 coins. Excessive cost to 169, while lows on 132. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 148. The US to Theta figure toward the month's end on 157, change for December 18.9%. US to Theta expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 157 coins. Exorbitant costs on 157, while lows on 136. They found the middle value of cost on 149. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's end on 145, change for January 7.6%. Dollar to Theta gauge for February 2026. To start with cost at 145 coins. Exorbitant cost to 168, while lows on 145. They found the middle value of cost to 154. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's end on 156, change for February 7.6%. US to Theta expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 156 coins. Exorbitant costs on 195, while lows on 156. They found the middle value of costs on 172. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 181, change for spring 16%. Dollar to Theta estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 181 coins. Exorbitant costs are 181, while lows are 151. They found the middle value of cost to 169. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 162, change for April 10.5%. US to Theta expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 162 coins. Exorbitant costs are 195, while lows are 162. They found the middle value of costs on 175. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends on 181, change for May 11.7%. Dollar to Theta conjecture for June 2026.